credit scores have been really important over the last 12 months, whereas before, for example, you could get away with credit scores as low as 580 to 600. Now, right now, the emphasis is more on 680, 700 for your best interest rates and your best programs available to you. So credit scores have become a real important item. It's really a hot button right now because it's a measuring stick, basically, of how you will repay your debt. And so it kind of goes over your whole credit history, showing what it's been like, if you're paying on time or not, if you're a real credit user or not. So big emphasis on credit scores right now. People can improve their credit worthiness in a few different ways. Number one, and this will sound very elementary, very basic, but pay your bills on time. It sounds silly, but make sure you pay your debts on time. A second thing is, if you have a lot of debt, try to pay it down. It's not unusual to see people with 10, 15, 20 credit cards. And in many cases, they are leveraged to the hilt. And that scores against you regarding your credit scores, because they'll look at the percentage of available debt that you are at, and it'll actually bring your point totals down. So even if you pay your credit cards on time, you pay your debt on time, if you have an excessive amount of debt, your credit scores will be lower than someone who does not. It's a very good idea to take out a loan if you've never had credit before. Apply for a credit card, apply for some type of installment debt to start establishing a credit history per se. Now, there are still some programs out there if you've never had credit before, if you've always paid cash for things. They'll require larger down payments, maybe upwards of 20% or more. So there are some programs out there, but it's a great idea to establish credit before you need it.